Prime Minister's attack on Congress came even as the letter itself did not make any direct mentions. Congress hit back at the Prime Minister, accusing him of hypocrisy. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge accused Prime Minister Modi of bullying every institution into submission and hurting the Constitution. Kharge reminded of the 4 senior-most Supreme Court judges holding a press conference alleging destruction of democracy under the NDA regime. Jairam Ramesh said the Prime Minister's brazenness in orchestrating and coordinating an attack on the judiciary in the name of defending the judiciary is the height of hypocrisy. INDI allies also echoed similar sentiments.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट मुझे लगता है वो खुद ही जानते कहाँ से प्रेशर आ रहा है, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कुछ साल पहले जस्टिसेस ने खुद ही प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बता दिया था कि प्रेशर कहाँ से आ रहा है। और ये लॉयर्स जो बहुत सीनियर लॉयर्स हैं, लास्ट टाइम हमने इनको सुनाई दिया या दिखाई दिया वो इलेक्ट्रल बॉन्ड्स के इश्यू पर, जब वो खड़े होकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर पूरा दबाव डाल रहे थे, और आज क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनकी बात मानी नहीं, इसलिए अभी वो उल्टा करने की प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
It's very alarming and very disturbing to read this story because India is a free country. Our forefathers have fought the British to get freedom into this country, and our judiciary is one of the most critical pillars of our freedom movement. And if that a lot of lawyers feel is compromised, it's extraordinarily alarming and worrisome.
Niyamika is joining us now with more details. Before I come to you, Niyamika, we have some breaking inputs coming in. So the face-off over lawyers' letter to the CJI is only intensifying now. Bharatiya Janata Party has slammed the opposition. BJP says Congress discrediting judicial system.
देखो, जब ये सरकार में रहे कांग्रेस पार्टी, उन्होंने सारी संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का जिस बेदर्दी के साथ, बेशर्मी के साथ उसका दुरुपयोग किया, और दुरुपयोग ही नहीं किया बल्कि उसका रिकॉर्ड बनाया, तो ये इस तरह की संवैधानिक संस्थाओं के दुरुपयोग के ये हिस्ट्री शीटर हैं। और आज जो है वो उस पर दुष्प्रचार और उसके बारे में प्रहार करने में जो है वो रिकॉर्ड बनाने में लगे हुए हैं।
This is a serious issue, and the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, has also commented on that. But it's fascinating to note that the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge ji and several Congress leaders are actually criticizing this. They would do well to reflect at the horrific times that existed under Indira Gandhi ji, when there was a clear call for a committed judiciary, when the Chief Justices or those in line to be the Chief Justice of India, their seniority was ignored. Today, the judiciary is independent. It's a strong institution. There is a set of people who try to browbeat the judiciary. They try to intimidate it.
Niyamika continues to be with us. Niyamika, of course, this has given enough ammo to the Bharatiya Janata Party and the BJP, of course, is going all guns blazing, attacking the Congress Party, saying this is the mentality of the Congress Party. Earlier, the Prime Minister also, in fact, said this attitude of browbeating and bullying is a vintage culture of the Congress.
Well, absolutely, the politics has been intensifying regarding this entire matter after Prime Minister Narendra Modi has backed this letter of the senior advocates in which they had alleged that there are certain groups, vested interested groups who are trying to put pressure upon the judiciary, and for that reason Prime Minister Narendra Modi has backed that letter of the senior advocates in which he has said that it is a vintage Congress culture. However, the attacks and counter attacks are coming in from both the parties. It is the Congress Party which has also made certain allegations against the BJP government, as it is the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge who has commented and tweeted regarding this entire matter, and he has pointed out four different instances in which he has alleged that at one point of time there were 4 senior most judges who had come out in open, and they held a press conference in which they had alleged that it is the constitution, it is a democracy which is currently under attack. But just after that, you have given you have made one of those judges a nominee for the Rajya Sabha candidature, and for that reason he has also alleged that recently also one of the former High Court judge has been given a ticket for the upcoming Lok Sabha election. So all of these issues are being raised by the Congress Party, as Mallikarjun Kharge has said that this is basically an attempt on the part of the BJP government to take over all of the institutions, as as
All right,
currently the
Niyamika, stay on with us. In fact, we're getting some breaking inputs. I'll come back to you for details on that. The